The new Ferrari Roma replacement prototype was just spotted testing in Italy, and here's everything we know so far about the future prancing horse. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the Ferrari Roma feels like a relatively new addition to the lineup. But believe it or not, it was introduced exactly 5 years ago, as a couple of days ago. Now, this helps explains why a prototype of its successor was recently spotted in the streets of Maranello. Now, big shout out to Motor Authority for these pictures. I will drop a link to their website down below so you guys can check out their cover on this Roma replacement. This is dressed in a black disguise. The mystery model appears to be an evolution of its predecessor. This isn't too surprising as the car is effectively a heavily facelifted Roma, but will presumably adopt a new or revised name in typical Ferrari fashion. Now, while there doesn't appear to be any obvious changes, the car will likely wear new front fascias, bumpers, lighting units, and you guys will also see an updated interior, as you can kind of see a glimpse of camouflage in the cabin. Now, the extent of the revisions are unclear, but the Roma has a 16-inch digital instrument cluster and an 8.4-inch infotainment system with an 8.8-inch passenger display, so expect some updates there. Now, the Roma is powered by a turbocharged 3.9-liter V8 engine that produces 612 horsepower, 456 kilowatts, 620 PS, and 560 pound-feet, 760 newton-meters of torque. It's connected to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which enables the 3,245-pound, 1,472-kilogram coupe to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers in 3.4 seconds before hitting a top speed in excess of 199 miles per hour, 320 kilometers. Now, a performance boost is all but assured with this new model, but little else is known about the car at this point. And given Ferrari's shift towards electrification with the goal of having an electric and hybrid model set up for 80% of its sales by 2030, the Roma successor could incorporate this new technology. If this happens, it's still unclear whether a hybrid car will feature a turbocharged V6 like the 296 GTB or stick with the familiar V8. However, a debut likely isn't far off, as Ferrari recently used their third quarter earnings report to reveal the Roma and 812 Competizione have been phased out. That means you can no longer buy those coupe models, but that being said, it's worth noting that the Roma Spider is still available as the entry-level model for the Prancing Horse brand. So with that said, what do you guys think about what we know so far about the Roma replacement? Anything you guys can see, interior, exterior, any power figures that you might know? Definitely drop those comments down below for our other viewers. Now, with that said, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, check the links in the description if you want to help further support the channel. I appreciate the extra love you guys show. Thank you so much. You guys can also subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.